Flop calls.
Hey, drama fans. So Kevin doesn't know how to use a microwave. Really? This was uploaded last year as well.
For help because he can't work a microwave.
Find out, that's phone up and find
How
out.
could you not know how to use a microwave? Exactly, just show it. And people would tell him. Oh, this was back when he would dual G crew.
You been?
Well, let's have a look at your microwave.
Exactly, he would tell him.
How the hell does this microwave work? It's me.
He's obviously on the phone to Tuna.
How the hell does...
God, he heard the way he speaks to her. No, it's not like, oh, hello, hi, how are you? Can you just let me know how this microwave works? It's just straight up like that.
Yeah. How'd you put it on a timer? Because I can't cook for 30 seconds.
Really?
Oh, my God, she doesn't know how to use it either. Does the man know how to use it?
Outsmarted by a microwave. Brilliant.
That's smart.
Yeah, God, can you know how to use it?
I mean, what's he going to do when his dad sadly passes away? And he'll have no one. He's not going to know how to do the basics of things. Like the things you need to know. Like, I bet you he needs to be told to brush his teeth. And get a bath. 45 years old this year. Exactly 43 you would have been.
Evening.
43.
Alright, bye, John. Alright.
Bye, John. Oh, he's at his mother's. He's at his mother's, that's where he is. Fancy not knowing how to use a microwave at 43. Kevin, sort your life out. I bet you nothing's changed. Anyway, I thought I would share this. Catch you in the next one.